In this video, I will show you how to disassemble and reassemble your Dood instrument. You will need a flathead screwdriver dulled on the sides. First, remove the mouthpiece. You will next need to remove the bell. This can be quite tough. Don't be afraid to give it some force. Use your screwdriver to separate the two halves of the instrument. Give it a little twist and it will start to loosen the joint. Pressing your screwdriver away from you, use it to separate the two halves. You can slide it along this joint until the two parts separate. When you have removed the back side of the instrument, place it to the side. Use the screwdriver in between the openings to separate the front of the instrument from the center. Give it a little twist and the parts will separate. Once you have separated the front of the instrument, you will see how the keys are attached. There are two joints per key that attach the key to the body of the instrument. If you need to replace a key, simply use the silicone key. You'll notice the thicker side is for the outside of the instrument, and the two joints connect it to the inside. Firmly press on the joints to attach it to the body. Check to make sure that all keys are securely fastened before reassembling the Dood. When reassembling, make sure that the keys are lined up with the inside of the body. Firmly press and you will hear clicks as the instrument reattaches to the middle. Before reattaching the back of the instrument, make sure that the thumb rest is correctly aligned. You do not want to put it on backwards. Line up the thumb rest and the key with the front of the instrument. Press firmly and you will hear clicks as it reattaches. Check to make sure that the seams on both sides of the instrument are securely fastened. When reattaching the bell, you'll need to give it some twists to get it started. It is easiest once you have it started to press it on the table and use quite a bit of force to drive the bell onto the body. Next, reattach the mouthpiece. You have now reassembled your Dood.